Welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta, and today we are here to look through some more of my finishes from the Paint Gem Black Magic Minis set, and also the thing that I'm sure you've all been excited for. I know I've been excited to get to this stage. We will be finding out who will win my little box of goodies for my 500 subscriber giveaway. I want to say a big heart, big thank you to everybody who took the time to comment on last Friday's video, to put in their little mini mystery comments. It was really fun to read everybody's comments. I really enjoyed seeing what people had put, and I'm incredibly grateful that you took the time to take part in this giveaway. For those of you that don't win, there will be more in the future. I guess 750 subscribers will be the next logical kind of point to put a little milestone in and say, you know, that's the next step. So I will definitely do one when I get there. And obviously, those of you that are going to be taking part in my February event, which is the DP Hearts and Diamonds 23, that will be, there'll be weekly giveaways there throughout February. If you saw my Wednesday whip, I talked a little bit about the prizes for that, the big prizes, and I am going to do a dedicated video all about the event, but that will probably not be, well, it won't be this month. We're a little bit far away, but yeah, just those of you that are starting to think about making purchases for next year's events, obviously the theme for the event is romance, hearts, friendship, love, all that Valentine's-y good stuff. So yeah, hence hearts and diamonds, because diamond painting. So I'm keeping things very open. If you really love cats and you want to do a picture of a cat and you justify that to yourself, then I'm fine with it, honestly. It's about all sorts of love. If you want to do a pride flag, do a pride flag. I don't care. Anyway, enough about my event. There'll be more about that later in the year and as we move into 2023. So for now, I am going to show you my time lapses for the Paint Gem canvases, which are here. They're so pretty, the ones that I've done this month, this week. I've been really happy with how they've come out. Yeah, and then at the end of that, we'll do the draw. So I will see you after the time lapses. So I hope that you are as pleased with how these came out as I am. As always, if you want to get your own Paint Gem minis, my code to get a discount will be at the end of this video, and it's always down in the description for every video. There's a list of all of the companies who have been kind enough to give me discount codes to share with you guys. Okay, moving on. So here we will now find out, using the little Tiny Decisions app, who will be the winner of the little box of goodies. Just here's a little reminder of all the things that are in there. You've got the no longer available Row Diamonds mini mystery canvas, which is all special drill. We've got some putty. We've got a made by me resin cup mat and cover minder. You've got the different trays and pen and stuff. So there's a whole load of little goodies in there for you, and I hope that you will enjoy them. So the winner is, drumroll please, oh my goodness, I'm so pleased. Kay, get in touch with me via my email address or Facebook. Let me have your address so that I can get this in the post to you. And congratulations, well done. That's all from me for today now. I'm gonna go and do a little happy dance. Yeah, I enjoy doing the giveaways, and I hope that you guys have enjoyed taking part. As I say, I will do another one when we hit 750 subscribers. So until then, I'm gonna leave this here. Please do consider, if you're not already, to subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and I will see you in the next video. Stay crafty.